How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel for a new video, and based on the title of this video, you guys know what we're doing today. One of the very first modifications I did on the Mk7 GTI was a turbo inlet pipe. And since it was one of the first mods that I did, still learning the platform, understanding parts, things like that, I bought a eBay version of the turbo inlet pipe. It's not even a specific brand or whatever, but when I got it, it seemed like it was quality construction, things like that. And I've had it installed for like over 2 years now, pretty much 2 years. And it's been fine. I mean, I have no complaints. But now, since we have the new catch can kit, I'm running into an issue with the AN fitting on the top of it. So I thought it'd be a good opportunity, now knowing what I know, to do a branded item, a little bit different design. Hopefully it'll fit the AN lines better. And just do like a little mini upgrade, if you even want to call it that. And by upgrading a turbo inlet pipe, I'm going to throw a screenshot in right here and a link down in the description to my Golf Mk7's website. He does some awesome product testing comparisons with flow testing, all sorts of professional equipment. If you guys own a GTI or any MQB platform, definitely check out his website, because there's tons of really resourceful information on there to show you if you are buying the right parts, what they do, if they make a difference. And yeah, so I bought one of the parts that he had tested on his website. So pretty confident with it, and I'm confident that the new design will fit our AN's lines better, and we're gonna do an eBay versus branded comparison. The part that I picked up and the brand that I decided to go with is CTS. So this is the CTS turbo inlet pipe. It looks like a cast design, nice brushed finishes on the portions that go in and out of your intake system. Has a really nice mounting bracket, and I believe this PCV port faces the front of the car better, so it should fit our AN line a little bit better. What we have on the GTI right now, right back here, can't really see it, but you can tell how the 90 AN fitting, it hits up against the firewall, and it's already started to kind of scratch off the heat shielding, which, you know, stinks, but it is what it is. So what we need to do is we need to take off the intake piping right here, and we should be able to unbolt the turbo inlet pipe right there. I've got a whole video on this, so check it up in the corner here if you want to watch that first, but I'm just going to get into taking this off, and then we can do a comparison. All right, turbo inlet pipe out. This is the eBay branded whatever one, and obviously our CTS here on the left. So some main design differences, as you can see, the eBay one definitely has a larger tube as far as length goes. The CTS one is definitely shorter, a lot beefier actually as far as the size goes, so definitely cool to see. We'll be getting a little bit bigger turbo inlet pipe diameter. Obviously the quality of the CTS is a lot better than the eBay one. eBay one's nice, it's powder coated and everything, but you can see everything's welded on, while this has nice little design that's built into the piece itself, so there's no like welds or anything like that. It's all built in, unlike the eBay branded one. And as I mentioned, the tube for the AN line, it does stick up higher and it sticks outwards more, while the CTS one a little bit shorter and it points down more, I guess, as far as like the vertical positioning of this. So this should fit our AN line for the catch can a lot better, and generally, otherwise it fits the same. Install should be pretty simple and straightforward. Yeah, like the way this is looking. Now that we've got them both out, I can go ahead and throw the new one in. Easy as that. We are right back together Everything fits in there a lot nicer. Granted, you would get by fine with the eBay kit, just like I did if you had that. But with the catch can setup and everything, I obviously ran into the issue with the firewall fitment, but now it's in there nice. You can see the little CTS logo right there. Everything's plumbed up. Really, really nice design. Wish I would have bought the nicer one to begin with, but at the prices at the time and everything, and I was still learning the car, I felt like I'd go with the cheaper option just to see how it worked, how it fit, and in case I messed anything up, I wouldn't regret it. So if you guys are watching and you own a Mk7 GTI or Mk7.5 GTI and you want this, go ahead and send me a message on Instagram. I'll sell it for like 20 bucks plus shipping, which is pretty cheap for one of these. It's in fine condition. Nothing really wrong with it. If you have the stock breather for your PCV, this will fit fine. So yeah, hit me up on Instagram at Colored and Light, 20 bucks shipped plus shipping, and it can be yours. So the weather is starting to get a lot nicer here in Texas. So that means more chances for the NC Miata to get out. I had to throw a new battery in it recently. I'm gonna make a video on that next. But that is gonna be it for the install of the new CTS Turbo inlet pipe on the Mk7 GTI. So if you guys are new to the channel, as I always say, be sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below. I'll see you in the next one.